This video presents a step-by-step guide on performing a routine component check of your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you notice that your prints aren't as accurate as they once might have been, or you are experiencing layers that don't align, it may be time to check your 3D printer's components to ensure they are firmly tightened and operating smoothly. Depending on the frequency of your 3D printer usage, we recommend performing a routine component check once every month. Check that each of your connector cables are still securely in place. This includes all 4 motor connectors, 3 stop switch connectors, and 2 fan connectors. Regular lubrication of the X and Y axis rods is important for the longevity and smooth running of your printer. The rods can be lubricated with oil and grease. We recommend using bearing grease and to apply generously to both the X-axis and Y-axis rods. Loose nuts and bolts could affect the geometry of the 3D printer. Check that all nuts and bolts remain firmly tightened. If required, re-tighten using the hex wrench. Check that all 3 axis stop switches are being pressed when the 3D printer is moved to the home position. Tighten the switch screws if required. Check that all gears are firmly mounted to the shaft. Tighten the set screw where required. You have successfully performed a routine component check. We want to make sure you get the best experience with your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you are still having trouble with your 3D printer, contact us on 1-300-663-907 or email customercare@winplus.com.au. Purchase Cocoon Create filament and other accessories at cocooncreate.com.au.